Hello there, curious minds! Welcome to Bravier Facts, your go-to hub for the most fascinating and mind-boggling facts from all corners of the universe. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we've got a real treat for you. We'll be taking you on a whirlwind tour of various subjects, from the surprising world of bananas to the mysteries of space and even unusual laws from around the world. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that will challenge what you know and make you see the world in a whole new light. So, are you ready to have your mind blown? Let's dive in! Hello guys, welcome to Bravier Facts. Did you know that bananas are technically berries while strawberries aren't? A slightly mind-boggling fact, isn't it? But it all comes down to the botanical definition of a fruit, which is the mature ovary of a flower. Now, berries are a type of fruit that develop from a single ovary and usually contain multiple seeds. Bananas, for you, they grow from a single flower with a single ovary, and they do have multiple seeds, those tiny black specks you see in the middle. On the other hand, strawberries don't fit this classification. Each so-called seed on the outside of a strawberry is actually one of the ovaries of the flower with a seed inside it. So in the botanical world, strawberries are not berries, but rather they are classified as accessory fruits. So next time you're eating a banana, remember you're actually enjoying a very large berry. Have you ever thought that you are glowing right now? Yes, it's true. Humans indeed have a light show of their own. This phenomenon is known as bioluminescence. Every cell in our body emits a tiny amount of light. This light, however, is about 1,000 times weaker than what our naked eyes can perceive. So while you may not notice it, every one of us is emitting a faint, unique glow. Yes, we all are a little bit radiant, just not in the way we can easily see. Did you ever think that honey could be an archaeological find? Well, believe it or not, honey has been discovered in ancient Egyptian tombs, perfectly preserved and still edible. How is that possible, you ask? It's all down to honey's unique properties. With its low moisture content and acidic pH, honey creates an inhospitable environment for bacteria and microorganisms. This means it doesn't spoil over time, quite literally making it timeless. So, honey is not just sweet, it's immortal. Do you know who the real marathon champions of the world are? If you're thinking of elite human runners, think again. The real long-distance champs of our planet are the Arctic terns. These feathered wanderers embark on an epic journey every year, flying from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back. That's a round trip of about 44,000 miles. Just imagine an animal weighing less than half a pound, undertaking such a monumental journey. And while we're on the topic of amazing animals, let's dive into the deep sea. There, you'll find the octopus, an incredible creature that boasts not one, not two, but 3 hearts. Yes, you heard it right, 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills while the 3rd sends it to the rest of the body. So in the world of endurance and heart, animals surely beat us to it. Ever wondered what space smells like? Astronauts returning from spacewalks have given us a unique insight into this intriguing question. They've described the smell of space as a fusion of hot metal, welding fumes, and even seared steak. Quite an unusual combination, isn't it? Now, let's shift our gaze towards Venus. Here's a mind-boggling fact. A day on Venus lasts longer than a year on Venus. Yes, you heard it right. Venus has an extremely slow rotation speed. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis, while it orbits the Sun in 225 Earth days. A day, in this context, refers to a single rotation of the planet on its axis, while a year is the time taken by the planet to revolve around the Sun. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember, it's a place full of mysteries and oddities. Did you know that there are rivers that flow beneath the sea? Quite a mind-bender, isn't it? These underwater rivers, known as brine pools, are a fascinating quirk of our planet's natural world. They're formed when seawater seeps into cracks on the ocean floor, mixes with salt deposits, and then becomes denser than the surrounding water. This denser water flows along the ocean floor, carving out channels and valleys just like a river on land. Now let's shift gears for a moment and consider the humble tree. These majestic organisms do more than just provide shade and oxygen. They can actually create rain. Yes, you heard that right. Trees release moisture into the atmosphere through a process called transpiration. This moisture then condenses and forms clouds, which can lead to rainfall. So whether it's underwater rivers or rain-making trees, the natural world is full of peculiarities that leave us in awe. Nature, as it turns out, never ceases to amaze. Can you guess which language has the most words? You might be surprised to find out that the English language takes the crown. With over 250,000 distinct words and 3 times that many if you count all its various forms, English is a unique linguistic treasure trove, but that's not the end of the story. The English language is always growing and changing. In fact, it's estimated that a new word is added to the English dictionary every 2 hours. Yes, you heard it right, every 2 hours. That's a staggering 12 new words a day, or 4,380 words a year. These new additions can come from anywhere. Science, technology, pop culture, and even social media. It's a testament to the fluidity and adaptability of language, reflecting the ever-changing world we live in. Language, it seems, is always evolving and expanding. Do you know the highest score ever achieved in a game of Pac-Man? It's a staggering 3,333,360 points. Billy Mitchell, an American video game player, reached this score in the mid-90s, completing 256 levels without losing a single life, a feat that truly reflects the marvels of human perseverance. Now let's switch gears to an equally surprising fact. The first item ever sold on eBay wasn't a priceless artifact or a coveted gadget. Instead, it was a broken laser pointer. Yes, you heard it right. The laser pointer, sold for $14 in 1995, set the stage for the world's most popular online marketplace. And let's not forget the iconic Eiffel Tower. Originally, it was meant to be a temporary structure, erected solely for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, but the marvel of engineering it turned out to be has made it a permanent fixture in the Parisian skyline. Human achievements, whether grand or quirky, are always fascinating. Ever heard of a place where it's illegal to tie your giraffe to a lamppost? Welcome to Atlanta, Georgia, where this peculiar law exists. The city has it outlawed to tether your giraffe to public streetlights. Why? Well, we're not entirely sure, but it's certainly one of the more unusual laws out there. Let's travel now to the natural state, Arkansas, where you better make sure you're pronouncing the state's name correctly. It's illegal to mispronounce Arkansas while you're in Arkansas. The law insists on the French pronunciation, which sounds like Arkansas. Moving halfway across the world, in Thailand, it's against the law to step on money. Yes, you heard it right. Disrespecting the currency is seen as disrespecting the monarchy, a grave offense in this country. So, as you can see, laws can be as diverse and unusual as the cultures they come from. Did you know that your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days? Yes, you heard that right. The human body is a marvel of engineering and resilience, consistently renewing and repairing itself. The stomach in particular is a champion at this. It has to be, given its role in digesting food and neutralizing acids. Its lining regenerates every 72 to 96 hours, ensuring that it doesn't digest itself. But let's not stop there. Consider the eyes, those windows to the soul. They can distinguish an astonishing 10 million different colors. Each shade, each hue is a separate note in the symphony of our vision. It's as if our eyes are painters, and the world is their canvas, filled with a palette of colors beyond our wildest imaginations. And then there are our bones. No, they're not made of steel, but they might as well be. They're as strong as this industrial metal, yet so much lighter, making movement possible. Our skeletal system, a framework of over 200 separate bones, is a testament to nature's ingenuity and efficiency. Despite being lightweight, it supports our body weight and shields our vital organs, proving that strength doesn't always come with heaviness. So, whether it's the stomach's relentless regeneration, the eye's discerning vision, or the bone's robust lightness, every aspect of the human body is a testament to nature's incredible design. Each part, each organ, each cell plays its role to perfection, contributing to the symphony that is human life. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember this. You're looking at an intricately designed, finely tuned machine. You're looking at a marvel of nature and engineering. You're looking at the wonders of the human body, a testament to life's incredible complexity and resilience. The human body, it seems, is a marvel of nature and engineering.